Hi dear viewers, this is Fan here. So I'd like to show you how possibly the easiest way you can clean your throttle body of your 6th gen Maxima. So we don't need much tools, all we need is a microfiber cloth, a clean brand new one. We need a throttle body cleaner. I have a CRC throttle body cleaner, and possibly a flathead screwdriver or a Phillips, just to loosen up the clamp for the intake manifold so that we can have access to the throttle body itself. We're not going to touch the throttle body butterfly with any of this metal thing, but I'll show you how you're going to clean it in the easiest process. So let's get started. So our throttle body is right here. We can see this is an electronically controlled throttle body. So I'll definitely suggest do not try to move the throttle butterfly using your tools, hands, anything. But accessing it very easy. What we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen up this screw here, and then we're gonna wiggle this out. We have to be very careful. And of course our throttle body is right here. This is our air filter, mass airflow sensor, goes through here and it's right there. So you're gonna unscrew this particular screw. We're gonna loosen it up, the clamp, and then we'll remove this from our throttle body in order to have access to the throttle body. And then we're gonna spray with a throttle body cleaner, and we're not gonna try to move the butterfly with our hands or tools. We'll use the accelerator pedal to move it electronically. But after that we have to perform a relearn procedure. I'll show you how it's going to be done. But first let's just open it up, and then we'll start the cleaning process. To remove it, we opened up the air filter box. You can see the air filter right there, and once you open up the air filter box and you loosen up the screw right here, let me show you, and we're gonna wiggle it out. It'll come out like this. So as you can see, it's all dirty and gunked up, so it's a good time to clean up this throttle body. So we will spray some of the throttle body cleaner into on this rag, and we'll use the rag to clean up the throttle body and the butterfly. So we cleaned some of it. As you can see, a lot of gunk's coming out. Now we need to open up the throttle body. So we're gonna start the car, no, not all the way in, just in the on position, and we're gonna put someone on the paddle, and they're gonna, because it's electronically controlled, you depress the paddle and the butterfly will basically open up. We're not going to manually do anything. So let's turn on the key on the on position, and without cranking the engine of course, and put some pressure on the accelerator, or someone have put, applied some pressure on the accelerator. So the cleaning is done. I try not to go too extreme, but let me show you something. A lot of gunk came out and carbons, so hopefully we'll see some improvement. I'm having a rough idle, so right now it's time. We're gonna connect back all the hoses and the air filter, and then we'll start the relearning process. So we connected the hose, tighten our clamp, make sure it's sealed, and also don't forget to put back your air filter, and make sure you check all the clamps, make sure all the harness and everything is connected, even though we didn't take them out. So the cleaning process is done. So now you're going to perform the relearn procedure. So in order to do that, first we have to make sure the vehicle is warmed up. It's in operating temperature. A good 8-10 minutes normal driving will ensure that. So once you make sure the vehicle is in, it's warmed up, you turn off the ignition and then you turn it on, and then turn it off again for 2 seconds. Turn it on, wait 3 seconds, and then quickly depress the accelerator pedal 5 times, and then wait another 7 seconds, and then keep pressing the accelerator pedal all the way down for 20 seconds. You'll see the check engine light flashing in the meantime. So keep pressing on the accelerator pedal for like 20 seconds. All right, then turn it off, and now we're gonna turn the engine right away. That's how I did it, and let's see the results. Okay, so we're pretty much around 900. I'm just gonna put it a little, like, give it a little gas for a while. All right, it looks stable to me now. So the RPMs not jumping anywhere, and right now I'm actually getting around 850 to 900. I should have warmed it up a little bit, I guess, but it looks good to me. I'm pretty good with that result. If you don't get it right for the first try, you can always do it again. You can also check for the manuals where it says how it's gonna be performed. I tried the quick way. I hope it helped. So that's it, guys. You clean up the throttle body, and then you make sure you perform the relearn process for the throttle body position. I hope this video helped for those who need a cleaning for their throttle body and having a rough idle, which I was having. Thank you guys for watching the video, and please subscribe if you find it helpful. Thank you so much. Bye bye.